An American pastime of sorts has seen a resurgence this spring. Bicycling gained renewed popularity as a way to get outside during the COVID-19 quarantine. But now there's a supply problem for bicycle shops. As Mike Johnson reports, the local owners of a bike shop in Blaine say it's a perfect storm.
It's a dry, sunny day and Rice Creek Trail is busy with bikes. Outdoor exercise was allowed during the stay-at-home order, and it was a great way to just get out of the house. So a lot of people did.
You know, you can be quarantined and be in your house and leave on a bike and come back on a bike and be socially distant from everybody and have something different to do than just watch Netflix, because we did that already.
The result was a good spring for bike sales at Pioneer Cycle in Blaine. But now, since factories here and overseas were shut down for months, getting new bikes in stock has been difficult, leaving empty shelves.
In the bicycle industry right now, we have a serious amount of no bikes. We're literally out. You can see all behind me, there's literally nothing left. After 40 years, this is the most empty we've ever been.
They have just a fraction of the bike inventory they usually have here, and Troy Woolens calls it a perfect storm created by good weather and the pandemic. That meant with schools closed, kids and families were stuck at home.
Everything happened in March, and we had the first nice March in 5 or 6 years. It was beautiful for March. So it happened early.
One thing they are not low on is bikes waiting for repairs. The store has seen a record number of repairs in the past 2 months, so many they can't keep up.
The brakes are the big reason why I think it's getting adjusted.
They're working on it as fast as possible, but finding help is not easy.
Everybody's on a mask. Everybody's worried about it. I have so many repairs to do. Me and my son and Andrew, a couple of guys in the back. That's all we got, man. We're just doing the best we can.
Getting parts is another problem. But now that June is here, this family-run store expects the supply to improve, even if the bike inventory will be hit and miss for a while.
Like yesterday, I got 3 bikes that were all the same model and size large because they were on my back orders. And then today I got a double extra small of a different model. And I don't have a 20-inch little girl's bike or a boy's bike.
While they expect more deliveries during June as manufacturers ramp up, some models may not be available until later this summer. For North Metro TV News, I'm Mike Johnson reporting.
Bike shops are considered essential businesses, and the folks at Pioneer have been wearing masks and limiting the number of people they let into the store.